Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. So today is Sunday, and April 14th, 2024. Right now, actually, just turning over to the midnight. And Friday, that's I would say surprisingly, it's dropped a lot, and I would say as the after fact, it seems like it has a lot of concerns over the escalating situation in Middle East, and market really moved pretty hard, and it opened down and it come back and trying to really try to kind of come back at like a 50% level, and then from there it wasn't able to push through, and so from there basically kind of chopping, kind of going all the way down to one other pretty important level. Is kind of like from what should I say it? Basically kind of moved twice of the the morning range here, and it moved a lot, and at the end of the day it closed between the like in the middle of the low of the day and the low of the previous day, from between here and here. So that certainly is a little bit good sign, because I think the bearishness that we are looking at here, and it could very likely close at like a 5100. Um so Sunday the future open, as you know, that's open right now. It's already midnight, and it was able to come back to here. And if you look at this 5185 57 level, it's equivalent to this level, which is I think it's hard to see here, but it's basically it's like a 5141 level, and this is sort of now retrace of the yesterday's low and high, and based on the fact that it was able to penetrate above that, this looks like it could be Monday, could be a people market probably not going to take this as a serious event, probably just kind of like a temporary. It's not going to continue to escalate from here. Apparently things could change dramatically, as you can see here, and on Thursday it seems like everything's a honky donkey, and can continue to going up, and however Friday, because of some such kind of events, and basically it came back down, and came back down really hard. So what's going to happen on Monday? Yes, Monday typically there will be lots of cross current, and so it could be chopping all around at the end, maybe close at the Friday's level, and we shall see. And another thing is it seems that the earning going to kind of a sort of a kickoff, and so next week, this coming weeks would be going to be interesting. Probably going to be pretty volatile because of the annual release and things like that. And with that said, let's quickly look at the the calendar. I'm not going to look at the whole week. But for Monday is that April 15. Well, there's a speech at 2:30 a.m. from Fed Logan. Okay, that's interesting. And then at 8:30 there's a retail sales. Also Empire State Manufacturing Index, retail index, and so those retail data it seems like going to be pretty important. I believe the market was watching that closely. And then when you get to 10 o'clock, you have a business inventories and housing market index, retail inventories, and certainly those things also will give people may kind of spin around the data and see to understand the inflation. And then 11:30, and typically on Monday, well actually 11:30 mostly they have the like a treasury auctions. So I think that explain that why like at 11 o'clock and oftentimes seeing the market turning or probably accelerating. And then also NOPA crash report. I'm not really sure about that. And then at 8 o'clock, which is after the market close, there's another speech from Fed Daly. And it seems like China have some pretty important data to like coming showing up Monday evening here, and that's at 10 p.m. and certainly they are going to people paying attention to the health of the economic in China. Yeah, I'll say let's go one day at a time, and I believe the best is to play in the moment and don't think too much and see what. But I would say what I put out here is it's kind of showing that this space that where the market could potentially to go, and yes, it could go back to the high of Friday's high, and could even push higher, possibly, and it may just stop right around here, this 50% retrace level here, and then from here just kind of trying to find the kind of making its way down here, and if it's going to finish, I think that likely it could finish to downside move. It could really go all the way down to 540, which is the gap level, and if we all remember it, and this is a gap up here, so not saying that it will not go even lower, and yes, it could go even lower below here, so we're talking about 5,000 level, so if that's the case, so we shall see. And I think the wild card in play is of course also the earning, and let's see what's going to happen during this earning season. Thank you. Wish you all the best luck, and may you be with the energy all the time. Thank you.